Competency-based questions. Tell me about yourself is the first question. Hello, I'm Arjun Kanji, and I'm really happy to be here. I've been working in IT for more than 11 years. I've spent over 7 years working with Salesforce, where I've done various tasks like administration, development, and support. I started my journey after finishing my master's degree in computing and information technology at Sunderland University. I began as a software test analyst at ABCD, where I learned how to test software manually and with automation. While at ABCD, I got involved in Salesforce projects and picked up some Salesforce admin skills. After that, I worked at DBC on different projects, including self-ordering systems and call center projects. In this organization, I also learned Salesforce development during a project called Sales Cloud Support and Implementation. Later, I moved to Hub IT, where I worked on a cloud-based ERP project implemented on the Salesforce platform. There I learned how to customize ERP applications in the Salesforce cloud environment. After that, I moved to XYZ, a leading specialist distributor of plumbing and heating products. There, I was the only person responsible for maintaining their organization. I was in charge of gathering business requirements from stakeholders, designing appropriate solutions, and creating complex reports and dashboards based on their needs. Currently, I'm working at ABCXYZ company. Here, I'm part of a large Salesforce environment with over 100,000 users, and we utilize various Salesforce clouds, including Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. I've worked on various projects across all these environments simultaneously. Previously, I didn't have experience with Marketing Cloud, but I had the opportunity to learn it and implement several business requirements across multiple Marketing Cloud projects. Additionally, I manage an experience site called My Home, which is used by more than 100,000 users. In this role, I'm responsible for addressing customer issues and fulfilling new stakeholder requirements. I'm very excited about the opportunity here at current company because it fits perfectly with what I'm good at and what I want to do in my career. I can't wait to be part of the team and help current company do well. 2. Why did you leave your last job? You can answer this question in multiple ways. I'm going to suggest different responses to this question. Seeking career advancement. I left my previous job because I was actively seeking opportunities for career advancement that weren't available in my previous role. I wanted to take on more responsibilities and challenges, and I believe this new position aligns better with my long-term career goals. Company restructuring. My previous company underwent a significant restructuring, resulting in a shift in my job responsibilities. While I valued my time there, I decided to explore new opportunities that better matched my skills and career trajectory. Personal growth. I left my last job to focus on personal and professional growth. I felt that I had reached a plateau in my previous role and wanted to expand my skill set and knowledge in a new environment. Relocation. My decision to leave my last job was primarily driven by the need to relocate to a different city due to personal circumstances. I enjoyed my work there, but the move was a necessary step for me and my family. Company culture fit. I decided to leave my previous job because I was looking for a work environment that better aligned with my values and work style. While my former company was great, I wanted to find a place where I felt I could make a more significant impact and thrive. Layoff or downsizing. Unfortunately, my previous company experienced a period of downsizing, and my position was eliminated as part of that process. It was a challenging situation, but it provided me with an opportunity to reassess my career goals and find a new position that matched my skills and aspirations. Contract completion. I left my last job because my contract was set to expire, and there was no opportunity for renewal. I'm now seeking a new role where I can continue to apply my skills and expertise. Health or family reasons. I took a career break from my last job due to health or family reasons, which required my full attention during that time. Now, I'm ready to re-enter the workforce and apply my skills to new challenges. 3. What is your greatest strength? I can provide various responses to this question. I'll offer different answers to help you understand how to tackle it. Smart work ethic. One of my major strengths is my ability to work smart. I focus on efficiency and effectiveness in my tasks, ensuring that I achieve goals with optimal use of resources. I believe in finding innovative solutions that save time and resources while maintaining quality. Adaptability and learning. My ability to adapt to new situations and learn quickly is one of my greatest strengths. Throughout my career, I've successfully taken on diverse roles and responsibilities, which has allowed me to thrive in dynamic work environments. Problem solving. I consider problem solving to be one of my greatest strengths. I enjoy tackling complex issues and finding effective solutions. This strength has enabled me to contribute to my previous teams by resolving challenges efficiently. Leadership and teamwork. My ability to lead and work effectively in a team is one of my greatest strengths. I've consistently taken on leadership roles, fostering collaboration and ensuring that everyone's strengths are utilized to achieve common goals. Attention to detail. I'm known for my exceptional attention to detail, which helps me produce high-quality work. I take pride in delivering error-free projects and maintaining precision in all my tasks. Time management. Time management is one of my strongest attributes. I'm skilled at prioritizing tasks, meeting deadlines, and ensuring that projects are completed efficiently. This strength allows me to excel in fast-paced environments. Communication skills. My greatest strength lies in my effective communication skills. I'm able to convey complex ideas clearly and build strong working relationships with colleagues and clients. This skill has proven invaluable in my career. Innovation and creativity. I believe my greatest strength is my innovation and creativity. I enjoy thinking outside the box to find inventive solutions to challenges, which has led to the development of new strategies and ideas in my previous roles. Technical expertise. One of my greatest strengths is my technical expertise in mention specific technology or field. I've honed my skills in this area, allowing me to provide valuable insights and make a significant impact on projects. What is your greatest weaknesses? You can answer this question in multiple ways. I'm going to suggest different answers to this question. Constant search for purpose. I don't believe I have any significant weaknesses. However, some people have mentioned that my constant search for purpose may be seen as a weakness, though I personally consider it a strength. This drive motivates me to improve and align my work with my values, benefiting both my personal growth and the organizations I work for. It fosters motivation, adaptability, and a commitment to excellence in facing new challenges. Perfectionism. One of my weaknesses has been my tendency towards perfectionism. I used to spend a lot of time ensuring every detail was flawless, which sometimes caused delays in projects. However, I've learned to balance my desire for perfection with the need for efficiency and have improved my time management skills. Public speaking. I've noticed that public speaking has been a challenge for me. To address this, I've joined a public speaking club and actively sought opportunities to practice. Over time, I've become more confident in presenting to larger audiences. Delegation. In the past, I struggled with delegating tasks to others. I felt I could handle everything myself. However, I've come to realize that effective delegation is essential for team productivity. So, I've been working on this skill and have seen improvements in team efficiency. Impatience. I used to be quite impatient when it came to project timelines. I wanted things done immediately, which could be stressful for my team. To overcome this, I've learned to set more realistic expectations and communicate better with my colleagues to ensure we're on the same page. Time management. Managing my time effectively has been a weakness of mine. I often took on too much at once, which affected my ability to prioritize. I've since taken courses on time management and implemented new strategies to better organize my work and meet deadlines. Attention to detail. I've sometimes struggled with being overly focused on the big picture, which led to overlooking finer details. To improve in this area, I've implemented checklists and adopted a more systematic approach to my work, which has significantly enhanced my attention to detail. What kind of salary are you looking for? You can answer this question in multiple ways. Salary history, if required. In my previous role, I was earning a salary of £X. However, I'm interested in exploring new opportunities that align with my career goals and qualifications. I believe that a competitive and fair salary is a crucial aspect of any new role. Range response. I'm looking for a salary in the range of £X to £Y, which I believe is competitive for a candidate with my qualifications and experience. However, I'm open to discussing the overall compensation package, as I value opportunities for professional growth and advancement within the company. Emphasizing total compensation. I'm interested in a competitive salary that aligns with the industry standards and the responsibilities of the role. Additionally, I would like to explore the full compensation package, which includes benefits, bonuses, and any other perks the company may offer. Experience and value based. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with your organization and contribute my X years of experience in your field. Based on my background and the value I believe I can bring to the team, I'm seeking a salary that reflects the market rate for this role. Negotiation and openness. I'm open to discussing the salary to ensure it's a good fit for both parties. I'm more interested in finding the right opportunity to contribute to your company and would like the compensation to reflect my skills and the value I can bring to the position. Market research and fair compensation. I've conducted research on the industry standards and the typical salary range for similar roles in this region. Based on that research and my qualifications, I'm seeking a fair and competitive salary that aligns with the market. Value and career growth. I'm looking for a salary that recognizes the value I can bring to the team and the company's success. It's important to me that the compensation is competitive and also provides room for growth and advancement as I contribute to the organization. Focus on fit and compatibility. I believe that a fair and competitive salary is an important part of the overall package. I'm interested in a compensation package that aligns with my skills and experience and reflects the mutual fit between my goals and the company's objectives. Where would you like to be in 3 years? 5 years? Please follow multiple answers in the following slides. 3-year goals. In 3 years, I see myself taking on a leadership role within the company. I aim to have a deeper understanding of our industry, our clients, and our team dynamics. I want to contribute to significant growth and innovation while mentoring and guiding my colleagues. My goal for the next 3 years is to become a subject matter expert in my field. I plan to achieve professional certifications and stay updated on industry trends. I also aspire to take on more responsibilities and be a valuable resource for my team. I envision myself transitioning into a role that involves more strategic planning and decision making within the company. In 3 years, I hope to be at a level where I can make a substantial impact on the organization's success. 3 years from now, I plan to have honed my project management skills and become a key player in delivering successful projects. I'd like to take on larger and more complex projects and contribute to the company's reputation for excellence in project execution. I see myself continuing to excel in my current role and becoming a mentor for new team members. 3 years down the line, I hope to have played a significant role in the growth of our department and be recognized for my contributions. 5-year goals. In 5 years, I aim to be in a senior leadership position within the company, possibly in a department head role. I want to be a driving force behind the company's growth and long-term success while fostering a culture of innovation and collaboration. My 5-year goal is to expand my skill set and expertise, potentially leading to a shift into a cross-functional role where I can bridge the gap between technical and business aspects. I'd like to be known as a versatile and influential professional. I see myself as a thought leader in my industry in 5 years. I hope to be invited to speak at conferences and contribute to publications. My long-term goal is to drive industry advancements and make a significant impact on our field. 5 years from now, I aspire to be leading high-impact projects or initiatives that directly contribute to the company's global expansion. I want to have a substantial role in shaping our international presence. I envision myself in a management role overseeing a department or division. My aim is to develop a strong, cohesive team that consistently delivers. 7. Do you work well within a team? Yes, I think teams are more effective than individuals. In my last job, I was part of a small team focused on making things better. But I'm also okay with working on my own when it's necessary. Teamwork is usually better. In my previous job, I worked with a small team dedicated to improving things. However, I can handle solo work when required. I believe in teamwork. In my last job, I was in a small team working to improve processes. But I can also work alone when it's needed. Teamwork is great, and I've experienced its benefits in my last job with a small team focused on improvement. I can also work independently when the situation calls for it. 8. Did you get on well with your last manager? Yes, I had a positive relationship with my previous manager. Our open communication allowed us to freely exchange ideas and reach consensus effectively. I had a good rapport with my last manager. We maintained open lines of communication, which enabled us to discuss ideas and reach mutually agreeable decisions. My relationship with my last manager was quite harmonious. We had open and candid discussions, which facilitated the exchange of ideas and consensus building. I got along well with my previous manager. Our open communication was a key factor in our ability to discuss ideas freely and reach mutually satisfactory conclusions. 8. Did you get on well with your last manager? Please review a couple of answers to this question. Answer 1. We got along quite well. We had open communication that allowed us to speak freely about our ideas before we reached an agreed upon conclusion. Answer 2. Yes, I had a positive relationship with my previous manager. Our open communication allowed us to freely exchange ideas and reach consensus effectively. Answer 3. I had a good rapport with my last manager. We maintained open lines of communication, which enabled us to discuss ideas and reach mutually agreeable decisions. Answer 4. My relationship with my last manager was quite harmonious. We had open and candid discussions, which facilitated the exchange of ideas and consensus building. Answer 5. I got along well with my previous manager. Our open communication was a key factor in our ability to discuss ideas freely and reach mutually satisfactory conclusions. 9. Are you confident that your level of experience is sufficient for the position? Response 1. I bring over 11 years of robust IT experience to the table, with a strong focus on Salesforce.com platform CRM and Force.com. My 7+ years of professional experience in application design, customization, development, and support on Salesforce.com have honed my skills in Apex classes, controllers, triggers, Visual Force pages, Lightning components, test classes, and more. I excel in Salesforce administrative tasks, creating profiles, roles, page layouts, and implementing workflow, process builder, and reports. Additionally, my experience extends to tools like Force.com IDE, Data Loader, Workbench, and Import Wizard, with a good grasp of deployment processes using change sets, VS Code, and Copilot for team deployments. I've also ventured into marketing cloud and automation testing using Selenium, Cucumber, and Jira. My proficiency in source control with GitHub and continuous integration using Jenkins adds to my versatility as an IT professional. Response 2. With over 11 years of comprehensive IT experience, I've become a seasoned expert in the Salesforce.com platform CRM and Force.com. My journey has involved 7+ years of hands-on work in application design, customization, development, and support. I've mastered Salesforce development with Apex, Visual Force, Lightning components, and more, alongside administrative tasks like creating profiles, roles, and implementing workflows and reports. I'm well versed in Salesforce tools such as Force.com IDE, Data Loader, Workbench, and more, and I've streamlined deployments using change sets, VS Code, and Copilot for efficient team collaboration. In addition to Sales Cloud, I've explored Marketing Cloud, and my automation testing skills with Selenium, Cucumber, and Jira are invaluable. I've leveraged GitHub for source control and Jenkins for continuous integration, ensuring seamless code management and deployment processes. My multifaceted IT experience positions me as a valuable asset for any project or team. 10. What is your biggest achievement? Answers related to automated testing are: in my current project, I always focus on writing code in a way that makes it easy to reuse. Recently, I made a significant improvement by transforming our framework into a data-driven one. Our framework, which was initially built using IntelliJ integrated with JUnit and the page object model, is now integrated with data-driven capabilities. Before this change, we used to write data directly into the code, which made it challenging to update information across the entire framework. For example, if we had a variable used in many parts of the framework, we had to manually update it everywhere when a change was needed, both in the front end and back end. However, with the data-driven approach, we've shifted to storing data in Excel files. This has made a world of difference. Now, when we need to modify a specific piece of data, we can simply go into the Excel file and make the change there. The beauty of this approach is that the change is automatically reflected throughout the entire framework. In other words, if a variable is used across multiple pages, it updates automatically when we change it in the file. This achievement has streamlined our automation testing process. It has not only made our framework more efficient but also significantly reduced the effort required to maintain and update our automation code. It's a significant step forward in our testing practices, making our work more effective and adaptable to changes in both the front end and back end. The second answer is related to Salesforce. One of the recent highlights of my Salesforce career was taking on a significant challenge in my current company. After I joined, my manager entrusted me with a marketing cloud project, despite my limited prior experience with the Salesforce product. The project scope involved implementing marketing cloud solutions to enhance our customer engagement efforts. When we reached out to Salesforce for a quote, they provided an estimate of £90,000. With determination and a 1-month deadline set by my manager, I embarked on a rapid learning journey. I dived headfirst into Marketing Cloud, immersing myself in every aspect related to email marketing through Email Studio and mobile engagement via Mobile Studio. The learning curve was steep, but I was committed to mastering the platform. Over the course of that month, I meticulously studied Marketing Cloud's capabilities, attended relevant training sessions, and actively sought guidance from Salesforce's extensive library of resources. I practiced my newly acquired skills by working on real-world scenarios and challenges. I explored the nuances of email campaigns, subscriber management, automation, and mobile messaging to gain proficiency. Despite the initial doubts and challenges, I successfully completed the Marketing Cloud project within the 1-month time frame. My efforts resulted in our company saving a substantial amount of £90,000, which would have been the cost if we had outsourced the project to Salesforce directly. This achievement not only showcased my dedication to learning and problem solving but also highlighted my ability to adapt quickly to new technologies and deliver tangible results. It served as a testament to my commitment to adding value to the organization and my growing expertise in Salesforce's suite of products. 11. Why should we hire you? The first answer relates to automation testing. I am a highly qualified and experienced automation testing professional, and I believe that my background and skills make me an ideal fit for the position. Here's why. 1. Industry experience. With 4 years of industry experience in automation testing, I bring a wealth of practical knowledge and expertise to this role. I understand the intricacies of testing processes and have a proven track record of delivering high-quality results. 2. Proficiency in cutting-edge technologies. I am well versed in the latest technologies essential for automation testing. I have extensive experience with Selenium WebDriver, IntelliJ integrated with Cucumber Gherkin for behavior-driven development, Jenkins for continuous integration, and GitHub for version control. This means I can effectively leverage these tools to streamline and enhance your testing processes. 3. Strong Java knowledge. My commendable knowledge of Java provides a solid foundation for creating robust test scripts and test automation frameworks. Java is a widely used programming language in the field, and my proficiency in it ensures that I can deliver efficient and maintainable test automation solutions. 4. Team player and collaborator. I take pride in being a strong team player and have established positive working relationships with my managers and team leads. I believe in open communication, knowledge sharing, and collaborative problem solving, which are crucial for the success of any testing team. 5. Multi-project experience. My ability to manage and work on multiple projects simultaneously sets me apart. I have a track record of consistently delivering high-quality work even in fast-paced, dynamic environments. This adaptability is essential in today's ever-changing technology landscape. 6. Educational background. My educational background includes a master's degree in Information Technology Management from Sunderland University. This not only demonstrates my commitment to continuous learning but also equips me with a broader perspective on IT management principles, which can be valuable in the context of quality assurance. The second answer relates to Salesforce. Extensive Salesforce expertise. I have a proven track record of successfully implementing and optimizing Salesforce solutions for various organizations. My experience spans multiple Salesforce products, including Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and more. I am Salesforce certified, which demonstrates my deep understanding of the platform. Business acumen. I don't just focus on the technical aspects of Salesforce, I also have a strong background in understanding business processes. This allows me to align Salesforce solutions with your company's specific needs and objectives, driving real value and ROI. Customization and development skills. I am well versed in Salesforce customization and development, including Apex, Visualforce, Lightning components, and declarative tools. This enables me to tailor Salesforce to meet your unique business requirements. Data management and analysis. Data is the lifeblood of any Salesforce implementation. I have experience in data modeling, integration, and analytics, which will help you make informed decisions based on the insights derived from your Salesforce data. Project management. I have a strong project management background, which ensures that Salesforce projects are delivered on time and within budget. I can effectively coordinate cross-functional teams, ensuring a smooth and efficient implementation process. User adoption and training. I understand the importance of user adoption in a successful Salesforce implementation. I can develop and deliver training programs to ensure that your team fully leverages the platform's capabilities. Passion for continuous learning. The technology landscape is always evolving, and I'm committed to staying updated with the latest Salesforce developments and best practices. I'm eager to explore new features and functionalities to keep your Salesforce instance cutting edge. Collaborative and team-oriented. I believe in the power of teamwork and collaboration. I can work closely with your team to understand their needs and ensure that Salesforce aligns with their objectives. Strong communication skills. I am an effective communicator, both verbally and in writing. I can translate technical jargon into plain language, making it easier for non-technical stakeholders to understand the benefits of Salesforce. 12. What are the technologies you are using in your current project? The answer relates to the automation tester role. In my current project, I am utilizing the latest technologies, such as BDD, Jenkins for continuous integration, and GitHub for version control repositories. We follow the agile methodology, and occasionally, we require cross-browser testing, which is facilitated through Browser Stack. The answer relates to the Salesforce developer role. In my current project at ABC UK, I'm working on a project called XYZ UK, where I hold the role of a Salesforce developer. In this project, I am extensively using a range of technologies to drive the development and customization of the Salesforce platform. Some of the key technologies and tools I'm currently using include Apex Language, Visualforce, Lightning Components, SOQL, and SOSL for custom application development and customization. I also work with VS Code for coding, Apex Data Loader for data operations, and Copado for release management. For testing and integration, Postman is crucial. For example, I've utilized Apex and Visualforce to create custom functionalities and user interfaces to meet specific business requirements in the project. Additionally, I've employed Copado to streamline the deployment process, ensuring smooth collaboration with the team. I believe my experience with these technologies aligns well with the requirements of the role I'm interviewing for, and I'm excited to apply my skills to contribute effectively to your organization. 13. What is the process you are following in your project? The answer relates to the automation tester role. We follow an agile methodology in our project, so I participate in that and discuss what I worked on yesterday and what I am planning to do today. Next, I check the current running jobs in Jenkins to identify any failed jobs. If I find any issues, I cross-check with my environment and the local environment. If I discover a bug, I log it in Jira. If everything is working fine, I check Jira for project communication. Later, I pull the latest code from GitHub and start working on it. I write feature files based on the acceptance criteria from the business analyst, BA. Once I execute the feature files, I get empty step definitions, and I fill those step definitions with Selenium code using dummy locators. Obviously, the front end has not been ready yet. Once the front end is finished, I update the dummy locators with the original ones. I then execute the files, and if any defects are found, I log them in Jira. Once the developers, designers have made changes, they will release the next build. Then, I start executing the test cases, which means the code will be pushed into GitHub, triggering acceptance tests, and Jenkins jobs will start running. If any defects are found, I log them in Jira. This process continues until the product is defect-free. The answer relates to the Salesforce developer role, project initiation. We commence each project with a clear understanding of the client's requirements and objectives. This phase often involves defining project scope, success criteria, and stakeholder expectations. Agile methodology. Many of our projects follow agile methodologies, and I actively engage in agile ceremonies. These include sprint planning, daily stand-up meetings, and sprint reviews, ensuring alignment with the team's progress and project goals. Environment configuration. It's crucial to set up the Salesforce development environment effectively. This includes creating sandboxes for testing and development, guaranteeing access to necessary tools and resources. Declarative configuration. A substantial portion of Salesforce development entails configuring and customizing Salesforce using declarative tools like Process Builder, Workflow Rules, and Flow. We design automation, create custom objects, and customize page layouts based on client needs. Apex development. For complex business logic that can't be achieved declaratively, we write Apex code. This includes triggers, controllers, and batch processes. User interface development. Custom user interfaces, such as Visualforce pages or Lightning components, are developed to enhance the user experience and meet specific project requirements. Integration. When required, we work on integrating Salesforce with other systems. This typically involves using REST or SOAP APIs to facilitate data exchange between systems. Testing. We're responsible for creating and executing comprehensive test cases to ensure the Salesforce application functions correctly. This includes unit testing to achieve code coverage and system testing to verify overall functionality. Deployment. Once development and testing are complete, we handle the deployment of changes to various environments, following best practices and change management procedures. User training and support. We may provide user training and ongoing support to ensure end users can effectively utilize the new or modified Salesforce functionality. This includes addressing and troubleshooting any issues that arise post-deployment. Documentation. Throughout the development process, we maintain thorough documentation. This includes data models, process flows, and comments within the Apex code, ensuring the project is well documented for future reference. User acceptance testing, UAT. Before final deployment, we collaborate with business users to conduct user acceptance testing, UAT, to address any issues or feedback. Release management. In organizations with multiple Salesforce releases, we coordinate the release schedule and ensure that changes are properly rolled out. Maintenance and enhancements. After deployment, we continue to maintain and enhance the Salesforce application based on user feedback, evolving business needs, and Salesforce platform updates. Community engagement. Active engagement with the Salesforce developer community is a priority. This involves participation in conferences, forums, and staying up to date with the latest Salesforce features and best practices. 14. Do you have any questions for me? Please follow the multiple answers in the following slides. Answer 1. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am eager to learn about my interview and its overall assessment. Your feedback will undoubtedly have an impact on me, enabling me to make personal improvements and better prepare for future opportunities. Answer 2. What is the company's approach to professional development and growth opportunities? Answer 3. Can you describe the day-to-day responsibilities of this role in more detail? Answer 4. What qualities or skills do you believe are most important for success in this position? Answer 5. How does this team collaborate with other departments or teams within the company?